Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a gear like this. So, okay, as you can see, that's how it will look, and looks good. That's how it will look on the sides. Okay, so firstly we're going to go to this workbench called Gear, which is an add-on. Where you go to add-ons and you'll click this. That's where you can change all the properties, and if you click that, then you can click that and make it 2.5 millimeters, change the height, change the width, change the size. You can do all of that type of stuff, and as you can see here, you can also change the thickness, I'm sure, in between the individual ones. Yeah, now that kind of looks like an in sun mold out, but that's fine. And then once we've done making our gear to your liking, we're gonna go back into part design. Let's scroll that down a bit, and let's go on. Let's go on to part design. Firstly, what we're gonna do is kind of create something. So like, go to part design. I'm gonna go to body, create a new body, drag it in. That will come out as base feature. Once that base feature, we're gonna get one of the edges. Then fillet it up. So let's do that much. Okay. Then we can do the other end too. And let's do the other end. And do it twice. There. Okay. Then once you've done that, we can do some other stuff. Like I'm going to slightly fillet this to make it more roundish. After all that, we are done with the model, and you can wait until the next part. So you can see it here. The gear is printing. Here we have the front view, like the main view. Then we have the back view, and here we can see like that. So I am Nehan, and I am 12 years old, and I love doing Freecad. Please support me by hitting the like button and pressing the subscribe button. Bye.